Hi guys, welcome to Tactic Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Upwork proposal, 8 rules for writing cover letters to get jobs. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now there are 8 rules that we will be discussing, and these are the 8 rules. When creating your cover letter, you should always use the client's first name. So you should look for the post over here and look through the different information available right now that is available for you, and as much as possible use the client's first name. And after that, your cover letter should be short and sweet. You don't need a super long letter describing everything about you, describing everything you can do for the job. It should only be short and sweet. You also need to put authority and social proof by putting some quotes into your cover letter. And the fourth one is a clear call to action, like mentioning when or what to do, like such book a call with you, because I know you have some questions about the job. So do not put questions on the cover letter. Only ask your questions when you are in the call with your client. Another one is to add some PS. There's a research that a lot of clients do not have time to actually read your entire letter, but they will actually read your PS. So add that to your cover letter. And also another thing that you need to do is to read the terms and condition of Upwork. There's a lot of rules in Upwork, and there might be a lot of rules that you are not applying or following properly, so that when it comes to pay, you're not really confused on when you need to get paid or when you will be paid. So you need to read through the terms and conditions so that you are well knowledgeable about how Upwork works. And the second to the last, follow the requested instructions. Sometimes in the description over here, they're asking you, for example, they will say, please provide 2 copies of the specific similar activities or similar outputs that you have done that is similar to the job detail. Do not add or do not upload 3 or 4. Follow the instructions, only upload 2, because that will indicate that you do not know how to follow instructions. I know the idea or the intention was to show more of your work, but please follow the instructions. And also lastly, do not mention that you do not have enough experience. A lot of people would type, although I don't have enough experience, I know I will be able to provide blah 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 blah. Do not mention that, because that will just indicate or give a clear sign that you are someone who isn't experienced with this, and your client will probably not even care about your proposal. And that's it. Those are the 8 rules that you should follow when writing your cover letter. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe.